day one. As from the title, you must be knowing that I am going to Goa, and it's day one, and we are going by train. So I'll be reaching tomorrow, since Garib log, can't go by flight. So we are going by train. Cousins, you can meet them. Hello, it's day 2 and we have reached hotel. There it was dark, so I wasn't able to take the video since we got down at 4:30 and it was really very dark and even very foggy. I'll show the room later. And now we are planning to go today whole day. It's not planned yet. So when we'll go, when I'll know, I'll let you know. That was my girls' room, which I am sharing with my cousins, and now I am going in my boys' room. Let's see. for breakfast and still it's not decided the whole day where we are going to go. So I'll let you know. So guys, finally our plan is decided and today we are going for 2 beaches and water sports if they are on, since it's New Year. So it's doubtful that it will be on or off. So we have planned to go for 2 beaches and then after that a fort. Till evening this plan is on. Now let's see how much it happens. Guys, we got totally wet in this water and it was great fun. Totally means totally wet. And now we are going towards the rides. Now we are going for some water sport which we all don't know. And I'm sitting with her. She's my sister. Hello. Say your name. My name is Nishi. 1, 2, 3. Now we came out from the deep sea and it was great fun. Now we are going for parasailing. So let's see how it will be. Just now came out of that paragliding and it was great fun. Enjoyed a lot. And an update, I don't get scared with those rides. I just love them. But we are really very tired. Actually, I am very tired and energy is totally drained out. So it's so much sun over here. I don't know you guys can see me or not, but at least you can hear me. So now what next we are going to do, even I don't know. So we'll give you update on that. We did our dinner and now we are going on a ride on Activa and bikes which we have taken. And right now I'm sitting behind my sister. And she drives. Okay. She has recently learned
She
driving.
lies so much.
And
man.
whereas I'm
She lies
sitting
so much.
behind her.
I'm throwing her. I'm throwing her
Shut
soon.
up.
I'm throwing her soon.
No. Good morning. It's day 2. Sorry, it's day 3, not 2. And today we have planned to go to South Goa for church and some fort. Let's see. And we are already getting late. We have to meet at 9 o'clock and it's already 8:30 now. You can see this. All the phones are on charging and our room is in mess. Still all are sleeping. Chalo, meet you next after getting ready.